So solve x plus 3 over 5 minus x minus 2 over 3 is equal to 2. So writing that out, again you look for the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3, so the lowest common denominator, which is 15, and then you multiply everything, both sides, by 15. So we're going to do 15 times x plus 3 over 5, minus 15 times x minus 2 over 3, and then 15 times 2. Now we notice here that 5 and 15 cancel, so we'll cancel, we get 3, and we notice here that 15 and 3 cancel, we get 5, therefore we're going to get 3 times x plus 3 minus 5 times x minus 1 is equal to 30, so we've removed the denominator. Next step would be to expand the bracket, so 3 times x could be 3x, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 5 times x is minus 5x, and then minus 5 times minus 2 gives plus 10 is equal to 30. Collect together the like terms, so 3x minus 5x gives me minus 2x, 9 plus 10 gives me 19, and then we get 30. Take 19 from both sides, so that's just going to leave me with minus 2x on that side, and 30 minus 19 gives me 11. Dividing through by minus 2, we're going to get that x is equal to minus 5.5. Again, we can check the solution by taking the left hand side. Okay, let's just do the check again. So we've got minus 5.5 plus 3 over 5, minus 5.5 minus 2 over 3. So replacing the x in this. From this, we're going to get minus a half, and then from this, we're going to get minus 5 over 2. So we've got minus a half minus minus 5 over 2, and that's going to be equal to 2. Now, that's what we wanted it equal to, and therefore x is equal to minus 5.5 is the solution. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation, algebraic equation which has algebraic fractions in it where the number is in the denominator. I hope you understood, and I thank you very much for watching.